When you click the Run button in CodeSpace to load a Python program onto your CodeX or CodeBot, the program gets stored in Flash on the device. So after you unplug your USB cable and you can walk around with your CodeX or your CodeBot, the program is still loaded on there, even if you power cycle it or take the batteries out, put them back in. That's great, and that's a feature, except it can lead to spoilers when you have a new class of students and they grab a CodeX and fire it up, and wow, there's code already running on there, and maybe it's exactly the code that I'm about to do. So if you want to erase that code, it's quite easy to do, so that you'll be prepared to surprise the next class with the outputs that they're going to achieve. So here's how you can do that in CodeSpace. Really, it's just taking an empty file and then loading that onto the device. And this works with either CodeX or CodeBot. Right now, I'm going to do it with a CodeX that's connected. So I'm right now just not even in any mission at all. If you're already in a mission, you're not going to have to do this step. But I'm going to go into Explore mode, which lets me select the USB codex that's connected here. And you can see my codex. Ooh, I need an upgrade. I'm not going to do that right now. But my codex is connected, so I can see that status. And so if I just create a new file, I'm just going to call it empty. And this is one that I'll just use whenever I want to erase the code on that codex. So if I hit run program, now whatever the program ran, it ended. I'll need to reboot my codex if it's got something on the display or something on the LEDs right now. The next time I reboot it, it's going to be just blank. So the display's not going to show anything. The LEDs aren't going to light up. The speaker's not going to play any music. And now, so this is the program that's currently loaded on it. Now the student can run whatever they want. If I wanted to, I could even add, let's say, a really simple message like on the codex. I could make this my empty file, right? So I could print a message from the, well, you need to use display.print. This is my message from the teacher. Ready for your code. But this could be a personalized message if you want it to be. So now when I run that, I can see that on the display. So anyway, you should be able to easily load this onto your devices and make sure that they're ready for the next student. Thanks.